My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Humble Master Lifestyle and I'm here with another video. And guys, remember, with God everything is possible, and without Him, guys, we are nothing. Well, today guys, I'm gonna prepare some dinner. Yeah, just for two of us. Yeah man, so I just say I'm gonna take you along with me. So today I'm going to cook some pig feet. Yeah, and I hope you enjoy this cooking video. Yeah man, so remember guys, to keep on show Humble Master Lifestyle some love over here. Yeah man, by liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel. I'm just gonna say to you this year of 2026, if 2025 wasn't a good year for you, don't give up. Concentrate on 2026. Yeah man, just speak to God and manifest what you want to come true. Yeah man, once you make an attempt to accomplish anything in a life, God, He will always there for you. Yeah man, so let's get into the video. Let me show you what I have for today. And also guys, oh Lord, how could I forget this? Welcome, special welcome to my old and new subscribers. Also to my old and new viewers, welcome over to the channel guys. So guys, this is the pig feet. Yeah man, I already cut it in pieces. We use some lemon on it. I'm using some more lemon. Yeah. Use lemon or vinegar, to wash it off nicely. Yeah man, this is it. Pig feet. So here we have Slappy Mama. Here we have our next seasoning, seasoning salt. This seasoning is fresh, salt free. Yeah man, salt free seasoning. Then we have another all-purpose seasoning. Around 1 teaspoon each guys. Then we have black pepper. Then we have the cayenne pepper. One teaspoon each. Rub seasoning guys. You always rub your seasoning until it rub out, until it rub out on your meat. Rub right out. I think I'm going to curry it. So I'm using a better pack curry. Jamaican curry. Yeah. So So guys, this is 2.5 pound. 2.5 pound of pig foot. 2.5 pound of pig foot, guys. So that is it, guys, and I'm going to let it marinate. You know, yeah. I'm going to start my little cooking. I'm going to cook some curry pig feet. That's what I've decided. You know, it's already seasoned. So yes, guys, welcome back again to in the kitchen. Yeah, man, the next kitchen vlog. Yeah, so this is my pig trotters. Yeah, so I seasoned it this morning and put it to marinate. It now marinate. So I'm going to start my cooking. So I put my curry to burn. Yeah, this is the oil. And I put my curry to burn. Yeah. So when it burns and you can smell the aroma coming from the curry in the oil, then I'll add my seasoned marinade pig feet. Or some people say pig trotters. The same thing. Yeah, this is the meat. Yeah. Yeah, that's what's going on there. And this is the meat right here. And so it's time to add the meat right now. So I'm just gonna let it catch the curry color. Yeah. So that is it. I'm just going to let it catch the curry color. Yeah. So I'm just turning them over, guys. So I don't mind like this. So whenever they had the curry color nice and pretty and yellow, then I had water, but not more. So just keep on watching, guys, and you know, see what I'm doing. If the glass I reflect, so just keep on watching, guys, and see what I'm doing. So just keep on watching and see how I prepare my curry pig feet, aka otherwise known as pig trotters. Yes. I think everything in the feet, you know, because the pig feet taste so nice. Yeah, man, it's sweeter than the meat, you know. It's sweeter than the actual pork. Yeah, man, pig trotters want to know how to look about it. So sweet, so nice. Some people say it's pure bone, but you know, I like less meat and bones or whatever. You know, I don't like the junky meat then. I like this type of meat. That's why I love turkey neck, because and chicken neck, you know, I have a lot of meat on it. Yeah, that's what I love. So I don't want to see anything red coming from the meat, you know. So we want all of that come out of the meat before you add water to it. You understand, guys? Trying to get this light turning on. I have another small light right here, but I don't know what happened to it. It's coming on. Oh boy. Just not coming on. Okay, guys. So, you have to just keep on, you know. You see, for example, this one, we don't want to see anything like this on it now. You see it? No, we don't want to see anything like this. We want it just pure yellow. You know? Pure yellow. Make all those things come out of it first before you add water. Because when it be like that, sometimes that's what causes froth and when it can make frothy. So, you need everything to perfect. Yeah, man, you need everything to be perfect. You don't want anything like that, you know? And the meat. So pretty, guys. Yeah, man. So you do it, you know, just throw water on it like that, you know? You won't have any flavor in it. Yeah. It's a nice cut of meat, you know, guys. Nice cut of meat, this. So guys, you know that I'm not going to have this cooking all day in the Dutch pot because it's going to take a lot of gas. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer it into this pressure cooker. So this is what I'm doing right here. So guys, I'm going to add some water. Into that in the pressure cooker. That is some warm water. See there, guys. So I had the pig trotters in the pressure cooker to cook, and I had some warm water to it. Alright guys, so as I said, I put it in the pressure cooker to speed up the process of the cooking. So I'm putting on the cover. So there is it, guys. It will be start pressuring soon. guys, so that will be cooking short. I pressure the pig trotters for 20 minutes. So they drop out in here. So there is it, guys. It cooks, so I'm gonna season it up. Yeah man, put it back in the same pot that so guys, I place it back in the same pot that it was in before. Yeah man. So I'll give it 20 minutes to cook. Put this up here. So I gave it 20 minutes to cook in the pressure cooker. Yeah. And then I throw it back in the pot that it was in before. So guys, I'm going to add some scallion. See it? Scallion, thyme, garlic, onion, white onion, tomato, carrot, and potato. Those are all I added right now. These are all that I added, in it. You can see it, guys. You just stir it up. Stove will make a little noise. Oh, that's normal. That is normal. So here we go, guys. Let the seasoning cook in it before I add anything more to it. Got my pig trotters coming on nicely. Yeah man, this is it. Yes, my peeps. Guys, I'm going to add some of these to the pot now. I have broccoli, green peas, carrot, baby corn, watercress, and bell pepper. So I'm gonna add all of those. Yeah. So you can see it for yourself, guys. There is it. Baby corn, watercress, green peas, carrot, and all of that. Bell pepper and everything added to it now. You know? Yeah man. So let me stir it. Okay. The last set of vegetable that I put in there is just for it to it's just for it to steam in there, not to cook. You know? So that's it, guys. So keep on watching until the end, guys. When it's finished, I'll show you. Finally, guys, it is ready. So that's the pig trotters, you know, our pig feet, curry pig feet. Yeah man, prepare it for my dinner. Yeah man. Alright. Alright. Next step, you'll be seeing when I'm eating. Yeah man. Alright. So this is it. So it's still kind of warm, you know. Yeah, so this is the pig trotters, you know, with rice and just a simple dinner, guys, you know. Yeah, so this is it, guys. Kind of hot, you know. So bless upon yourself once more, guys, on a nice clean self. Thank you for watching. If you come all this way and you haven't subscribed or like the video, please I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, like up the video, thumbs up, And just touch a little subscription button then and subscribe to the channel. Please, I'm asking you. Just keep and show Humble Master Lifestyle the love. One and only Humble Master Lifestyle. Don't say nothing. Peace out, my blessings, girl. Peace. See you in my next video. By the way, the food tastes so good. Big Trotters, curry Big Trotters, it's bad. Yes, guys, welcome again to another box open. It's been a while. I haven't do anything like this, but something you can purchase something you don't want just for video. I still want the thing to purchase it. I'm gonna open this one first. This one's supposed to be a lamp. Hey, I'm not really black me harder. The white me harder than the black. Come, I never harder that one yet. Anyways, guys, this lamp, see lamp, guys. Put on my glasses. So this lamp used 3 AA batteries. You know, it's a battery lamp, and it's very bright. So you have to just prepare. See, anything will come again. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, man, this is for our, I think this one is $24 or something like that. Plus tax. It nice, so you can sit it down like that. The bulb is plastic. The bulb inside is a plastic bulb, you know. So this is number 1. Let me put it back inside like this. That's number 1. So this is number 2. This guy is number 2. Yes, guys, this is number 2. And this lamp is for my mom. You know, my mom is now 81. And then people that are used to them kerosene lamp. You know, their first time lamp. So in Jamaica, there is nowhere you can find these. You can get the wick and the burner, but you cannot find the bottom. So you want to show what that she did have. Eventually, it break at the top. So I tried to get one for her. Hey, so you will see it, guys. Wow. So this is the lamp. It's gold. Down here it's golden. See? And it have the wick inside. So it just look like neat. You know, have the wick inside. So my mom get back an original lamp, you know. Used by kerosene or what, paraffin, something like that. Alright. Put it back inside here. That is 2. And this one have 2 items, guys. 2 items this one have. Hey. Hey. So this is a normal sneakers, guys. This is Sistico. Sis, I love the color, but the shape of it, But once you let my feet feel comfortable, you know, that's all I wanted. Something for my feet to feel comfortable. You know. Sometimes you can't look at the shoes and say, oh, I don't like this. But just for the feet. If you're not traveling, you know, you need something nice on your feet. I'm gonna try it on, guys, with my socks. My socks on and see how it fit. You know? Yeah. So I ordered the wide width, guys. That means I don't have anything to bother my feet. You know? Yeah. Yeah. And maybe to the way it feel, maybe I didn't have to take that. This is like $30-something, guys. $30-something. 40. So this is it, guys. By myself. That's it. One more box to leave, guys. One more box. And people have problem with their feet, they can get this. I don't really have any problem with feet, guys, but because sometimes they go through the airport and they walk up and down from here to there, and you know you need something comfortable on your feet. So that's why I get this one, you know, so I can have it to wear. Yeah, man, and I love the color. Isn't it pretty, guys? Yeah, man, the color is nice. All right. This is the fourth one. Okay. Hey. 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 Wow. Hey, I love this. Now I'm gonna take my socks off to put this on. Hey. See, guys? Yeah. Gonna take 8.5, but I just take the 9. You know? Yeah. It's an MK slippers, guys. MK. This is MK slippers, and you can adjust the top. Yeah. $80 plus tax. Yeah. Man, you can travel with this in a Pullman. You pull along, so if you have on shoes and you're not comfortable too, guys, you can just take out this outside Pullman and put it on in at the airport and you go on the road. Yeah, man. So as I said, if I don't want anything, I don't purchase it. Yeah, and this is it. I always ask a daughter of mine to purchase them for me. Yeah. So this is it, and it's nice. You can see it, guys. Yeah, man. These are all it. The lamp, the slippers, this, and this lamp right here. Yeah. I'm gonna leave it in the bag. I'm packing it. Yeah. Yeah. This can also steal this. So thank you guys for watching my unboxing, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day wherever you are. Yeah, man. And big up on yourself. Big up on a nice clean self. Whether you're old or new subscriber or old or new viewers coming over back to my channel to watch my videos, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, man. And big up on yourself and a nice clean self, guys. Yeah, man. I want to go on to the do. If you guys watching, any of you guys watching and haven't subscribers yet, please, I'm asking you to do so. Yes, guys, just touch that subscription button there. Yeah, man, it's free of cost, you know, because without you guys, you know, we are me. Yeah, man. And thanks for the support again. Blessings.